Hello, welcome back, friends, viewers, subscribers, and other people. Today I got the Louisiana Louisiana Kitchen Pea. Popeyes, that's what it is, Popeyes, Louisiana Kitchen. I got the surf and turf meal. Let's get the box open. You get chicken and you get shrimp and you get a biscuit. And let's see, we got sauce. We got bold BQ sauce. And we got krill tail sauce. Let's get that one open real quick. I like tail sauce. There it is. There's the wrapper off. Let's put it somewhere. Oh shit, I spilled it. I'm already making a mess with the damn sauce. Anyway, let the camera settle. We got some chicken here. Look at that. I can't get the damn box to sit up. Alright. Look, it's long, it's bready. Let's dip it. I like a cocktail sauce all the way. Not a whole lot of meat, but that is a skinny end. This is the fat end. Let's try the fat end. Let's go for it. Oh man, there's so much breading. I don't know if I like it. I like the meat. I feel like I'm just chewing on breading here. Alright, we got a shrimp here. Let's dip. There we go. Let's focus. Alright. This is how you eat a shrimp. You dip it in cocktail sauce. Chicken's pretty good. There went the shrimp. It's good. I like it. I like shrimp. Here's a french fry. It's covered in salt and pepper. That's a good french fry. Last but not least, we got the biscuit. Actually, first, I'm going to take a sweet tea break here. I had some breading stuck between my teeth. Had to get it out. Okay, biscuit time. It's upside down. I don't care. I like biscuits when they're nice and warm, piping hot. Best time to eat a biscuit. I wonder if they're good with cocktail sauce. Probably not, but let's go for it. Oh, that's not a good combo. Anyway, I'm going to finish the rest of this. You got chicken, shrimp, french fry, biscuit, and sauce. So, I didn't like all the breading on the chicken, but it's still pretty good. So, I like it. Give it a 1 thumb up out of 3, I think. Yeah, that'll work. I need to clip my nails. Look at that. Anyway, that's enough for today. I'm gonna... Damn it.